morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. As you guys can tell, this is a package, and we're gonna freaking open it with this guy, the wee kite fin. I like that. That was nice. So we have an Artisan Cutlery. For the record, guys, this is my first Artisan Cutlery I've ever held in hand. I've been very close to pulling the trigger on a bunch, but it's just, and then you kind of pause and stop. So first and foremost, nice little bag here. It feels almost like royalty, or a Crown Royal, a little Crown Royal pouch. Oh. This is the Artisan Cutlery Arroyo. If I say it wrong, whatever. Arroyo. Arroyo in micarta. Ooh, that's actually very, very nice for the snappiness. Like, that first snap came out perfect. The blade centering is perfect. The fit and finish on this guy, I'm actually, so far, not like being like that guy that's like, oh, every new knife I get, I'm super impressed with. There's something about the fit and finish, the feel, even this micarta feel, and I know this is only like a $60, $65 knife, but there's something about this finish right now that I'm very, very impressed with. It feels tight, it feels compact. I don't feel any issues anywhere as far as fit and finish. All that micarta bitching that I did about Civivi weave Sencut, they did it. Look, they put that freaking thing in there. This so far, just saying this out, this so far is a very, very impressive looking piece. Super, super narrow. Like, this blade stock is just super thin. This is the wee kite fin. It's got pretty thin blade stock. This has some super thin blade stock in this Arroyo. Let's see here. No side to side, no up and down. Guys, I'm telling you, if this is going to be the same quality from Artisan all around, especially for the price point of like $68, I think this is what this is coming in. And this isn't a review, but I am so far, even the ergonomics, there's something about this that's impressive, guys. So, before we go anymore, here, let's clean this off. This was outside. It was cold, and it's like got all this like just condensation buildup. So look at that. So I think it's sharp. Really, really impressive piece. Yeah. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just a really impressive piece so far. The billboarding on here kind of sucks. This is turning more into a review, so I'm going to let you guys go. But I just want you guys to see this, that, first of all, this is newer. So if you guys want to get your hands on it, it's not like this is a model that's outdated or anything. I believe this thing just came out a couple months ago. It's got two versions. It has an acrylic version, which I don't know what that is. That's like, sounds like, old lady fingernails. But it's also got a micarta version in several different colors. So my first impressions of this thing are, I am wowed. Absolutely wowed. And again, I always talk about the micarta feeling kind of like paper. This is definitely a much higher quality micarta than anything that I have felt. Keep in mind, anything I have felt from Civivi and Sencut and CJRB and all that, and it's just a lower brand. Artisan is the higher brand of CJRB. That being said, this is still a cheaper knife, and this micarta feels fantastic. What is the blade steel on this guy? Oh, shoot. This is the AR. This is the AR RP9. So this is basically 9CR18's powder form. I didn't realize that. Yeah, this thing's impressive, guys. This thing is truly impressive, and for the price, whew, I'm excited to review this. It has its goofy things, like this right here, like that looks goofy, but I can get past that. The pocket clip is generic, but it's a great deep carry sunk into the micarta. It's like, thank you. This is kind of weird. They got some chamfering a little bit going, not really that much chamfering going around the edges. Then they cut like a fuller through. So it's a very narrow handle as far as width-wise, but it feels good because, or I should say height-wise, it's narrow, but like width-wise, it's pretty wide. So it fits in your hand, and it actually, I usually don't like these where it makes your hand go, but so far, in hand, that feels awesome. Like everything about this just feels great. So I kind of got this as I saw some guy on Reddit selling it, and I was like, you know what? I've been seeing a little bit about it. He was selling it for cheaper. It's kind of like a knife that I can do some reviews on and not break the bank in doing so. But wow, I'm super glad I did. So my name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. This is the Artisan Cutlery Arroyo in AR RPM 9 steel. It's their newer steel. This is a newer knife, and I believe this is around $60-ish. So we'll get this review coming out to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp. Stay safe. Have a great freaking day, guys.